Welcome to Amiga Cafe. It started off as a small restaurant on West Avenue, and now they're here. The grill is always ready at 5302 Wurzbach Road.
The family is from San Luis Potosí. That's why all the food is like that.
Amiga Cafe is a family-owned business that started with one brother and 8 tables. Now it's owned by more families. There's more space and a huge focus on authentic Mexican cuisine.
So they base it on like a little corner of Mexico, because once you taste the food, you'll know why it's an authentic Mexican restaurant.
Bring on the Neighborhood Eats taste test. Let's start with your caldo de pollo, chunks of veggies, chicken.
Well, this is pretty good.
Next, the enchiladas potosinas, chili seasoned dough covered in queso fresco with rice and the trimming.
Give me more of this. Give me more.
Now serving barriada, beef and chicken fajita, beef, pepper, shrimp, sausage, rice, beans, fresh guac.
I'm gonna eat this in the tortilla, but I really wanna cheat and taste the meat. That is it. Love it. Jury's out on the beans, but everything else is good.
Turn up the spice, and this Fideo Loco is nice.
Fideo.
Chilaquiles divorciados.
In the case of the divorce plate, I'm awarding custody to my stomach.
With chilaquiles verdes and chilaquiles rojos, eggs, and refried beans. How about chore queso with cheese, chorizo, and beans?
It's good. I like it.
Migas norteñas, tortilla chips, eggs, chorizo, guajillo peppers, potatoes, and refried beans.
Pretty good.
Finally, the pambazos.
So this one, it's messy. So be prepared, because it is messy.
Grilled bread that's been dunked in salsa with beans, potatoes, chorizos, lettuce, tomatoes, queso fresco, and sour cream.
It's pretty good. Pretty good.
Thank you so much for this recommendation. If you have another one, all you have to do is hit me up on my Kins5 Facebook page or send me a tweet. Just don't forget to hashtag it at Kins5.